Hello everyone, I am Trupti Pandya and today I will be teaching you Element of Account Standard 12 Part 1 Chapter 4 Reconstruction of Partnership. In previous lecture we already completed up to illustration number 1. Today let us start illustration number 2. Here, when more than one partner is sacrificing. In previous illustration we completed that one partner sacrificing. Here, when more than one partner is sacrificing. So, at that time, illustration number 2, Bhavesh, Vipul and Hiral are the partners in a firm as sharing profit and loss in the ratio 2:2:1. They decided to share profit and losses in the ratio 3:2:1 in future. From this information, calculate the sacrificing ratio. Here, in answer part, there are two ratio is necessary. First, old ratio and new ratio. From this old ratio, we make the old share, and from the new ratio, we make the new share. So this way, we make the one table. First of all, we write the all partners' name, Bhavesh, Vipul, and Hiral, and their total portion. Old ratio 2:2:1 means 2 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 5. Now old share 2/5, 2/5 and 1/5. Now new ratio is given in our question 3:2:1 means 6 is there. 3/6, 2/6 and 1/6 is there. Now we keep the formula and write the answer. Here it is given share of sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. Here, first we find out the Bhavesh sacrifice 2/5 minus 3/6. Here in denominator 5 and 6 is there. So 5, 6 are 30 is the LCM. Now we make the cross multiplication. 2, 6 are 12. 5, 3 are 15. 12 minus 15. Then minus 3 is there. And 5, 6 are 30. Minus 3 upon 30 is there. Now we make the reduced form of minus 3 upon 30. Minus 3 ones are 3 and 3 tens are 30. 3 cut, so we get minus 1 upon 10. And when there is a minus sign is there, then it is a gain. So Bhavesh sacrifice is gain. Now Vipul sacrifice. Old share 2/5 minus new share 2/6. Here also 5 6 are 30. 6 2s are 12. 5 2s are 10. 12 minus 10, then we get 2. 2 upon 30. And it is a plus. So Vipul sacrifice 2/30. Now Hiral sacrifice. Old share 1/5 minus 1 upon 6. Here 5 6 are 30 we write, and cross multiplication 6 1s are 6 and 5 1s are 5. 6 minus 5, then we get 1. 1/30. Here also positive sign, so sacrifice is there. So here sacrifice is there. Now from the above calculation it can be seen that sacrifice by Vipul and Hiral is received by Bhavesh in the form of gain benefit. Here Vipul and Hiral received by Bhavesh in the form of gain. From the above calculation, it can be sacrificed by Vipul and Hiral. Vipul and Hiral give the sacrifice and Bhavesh receive the gain from these two partners, Vipul and Hiral. So, Vipul sacrifice 2/30 and Hiral sacrifice 1/30. So, sacrifice ratio between Vipul and Hiral is 2:1. Sacrificing ratio of Vipul and Bhavesh are 2:1. As per the earlier discussion, some partner's sacrifice turns out to benefit for the other partner. We know that if one partner make the sacrifice, then it is the gain for the other partner. If one partner make the sacrifice, then other partner receive the gain. So once sacrifice becomes the gain for the other partner. This way, above illustration sacrifice by Vipul and Hiral become the gain for the Bhavesh. Vipul and Hiral sacrifice and become the gain for the Bhavesh. The calculation is as under. Vipul sacrifice 2/30, Hiral sacrifice 1/30. So Vipul and Hiral's total sacrifice is 2 upon 30 plus 1 upon 30 means 3 upon 30. And Vipul and Hiral's total sacrifice is 1 by 10. Because with reduced form we make 3 ones are 3 and 10 threes are 30. So 1 upon 10 is there. So Bhavesh gain is also 1 upon 10 because minus 1 upon 10. So from the above calculation, it can be seen that the benefit of 1 upon 10 received by Bhavesh in the ratio 2:1 from Vipul and Hiral respectively. This way, sacrifice of more than 2 partners are there and received by the one part. Now, next illustration, sacrifice by one partner and gain by more than one partner. Opposite. Only one partner make the sacrifice and other 2 partners receive the benefit. One partner's sacrifice is there and 2 partners receive the gain. So, this type of illustration is there. Illustration number 3. Poonam, Dhaval and Komal are the partners in a firm that profit and loss sharing ratio is 3:2:1. All the partners have decided to change the profit and loss ratio and it is 1:2:2. Calculate the sacrificing ratio of partners. Now answer. First we write the old share, old ratio, new share. Poonam, Dhaval and Komal 3 partners write. Old ratio 3:2:1. 3 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 6 is there. Old share 3 upon 6, 2 upon 6 and 1 upon 6. New ratio 1:2:2 means 5 is there. New share 1 by 5, 2 by 5 and 2 by 5. Now we keep the formula. The calculation of sacrifice by the partner. Sacrifice is equal to old share minus new share. Poonam sacrifice old share minus new share 3 by 6 minus 1 by 5. Here in denominator 6 and 5 is there, so LCM 6 5s are 30. Now we cross multiplication 3 5s are 15 and 6 1s are 6. 15 minus 6, then 9 is there and 9 upon 30. Poonam's sacrifice is 9 upon 30. Now Dhaval's sacrifice, same formula we have to keep. Here positive sign is there. See, here positive sign is there. Now old share minus new share. 2 upon 6 minus 2 upon 5. Here also 6 5s are 30. LCM is there. So 6 5s are 30 we have to keep in denominator. And cross multiplication 2 5s are 10 and 6 2s are 12. 10 minus 12, then we get the negative sign. Minus 2 is there because 10 minus 12 is not possible. 12 minus 10 is there. And so minus 2 upon 30 means gain is there. Dhaval's sacrifice. Now third partner, here minus sign is there, so gain is there. And now Komal's sacrifice, old share minus new share. 1 upon 6 minus 2 upon 5. Here also 6 5s are 30, LCM is there. Cross multiplication 5 1s are 5 and 6 2s are 12. 5 minus 12, then minus 7 upon 30. Komal's sacrifice, gain. Here minus 2 upon 30 gain received by Dhaval and minus 7 upon 30 Komal also received the gain. 7 upon 30 plus 2 upon 30, then minus 9 upon 30 is there. And this gain they received by the Poonam 9 upon 30. 7 plus 2 then 9 and 9 upon 30. Minus 9 upon 30 and plus 9 upon 30. Then it's become. Means Poonam sacrifice and Dhaval and Komal receive the gain. As per the above calculation, answer of Dhaval and Komal are negative. So Dhaval and Komal have sacrificed nothing, but they received the benefit 2 by 30 and 7 by 30. The benefit by Dhaval and Komal is due to the Poonam's sacrifice. The calculation is as under. Poonam's sacrifice 9 upon 30. Dhaval's gain 2 upon 30 and Komal's gain 7 upon 30. 2 plus 7, 9 upon 30. This sacrifice is given by the Poonam and Dhaval and Komal received the gain. Here the sacrifice 9 upon 30 by Poonam is equal to the total benefit of Dhaval and Komal. So here Dhaval and Komal received the benefit of 2 upon 30 and 7 upon 30 respectively. The gain ratio between Dhaval and Komal is 2:7 because 2 upon 30 and 7 upon 30. So 2:7 which is received from Poonam. Now we try to understand the calculation of gain ratio. Here, gaining ratio. When there is a change in profit and loss sharing ratio of partners, share of profit of some partners reduces and other partners' share of profit increase. Some partners decrease and some partners' profit is increase. So some partners' share of profit is a higher. If increase, then it is a higher than prior one. So at that time, the higher share of profit of partner is called gaining ratio. If a higher profit is there, then it is called the gaining ratio. If any partner retire or death of it, there is a death of any partner in the existing firm, share of profit of the retired or deceased partner will be received by the existing partners. If any one partner is retired or partner's death is there, at that time existing partner received the gain of this portion. At that time also it becomes necessary to calculate the gaining ratio. The detailed discussion of retirement or death of an existing partner will be made in chapter number 6. Now, if the new profit loss sharing ratio is more compared to the old profit loss sharing ratio, then it is called gain. Gaining ratio is a difference between new profit loss sharing ratio and old profit loss sharing ratio. What is the gaining ratio? Gaining ratio means new profit loss sharing ratio minus old profit loss sharing ratio. Difference between this both are is called the gain. And so, received by the partner as per the mathematical method, gain is equal to new share minus old share. Opposite formula. In sacrifice, old share minus new share is there. But in gain, it is new share minus old share. So let us try to understand the gain ratio of partners with the illustration. When any one partner is gaining, illustration number 4. If one partner is gaining, at that time, this type of calculation is there. Dhruvil, Gopi and Mukund are partners in the partnership firm. Their profit and loss sharing ratio is equal 1:1:1. All partners have decided to change the profit and loss sharing ratio in future 1:2:3. Old ratio is 1:1:1 and new ratio is 1:2:3. Calculate the gain ratio. So first we write the name of the partner Dhruvil, Gopi, Mukund. 1:1:1 is equal to 3. 1/3, 1/3 and 1/3. New ratio 1:2:3. 1 plus 2 plus 3 is equal to 6 is there. 1/6, 2/6 and 3/6 is new share. Now let us calculate the gaining ratio of the partners. Partners gain is equal to new share minus old share. Now new share minus old share we have to write. So Dhruvil's gain is equal to 1/6 minus 1/3. Here in LCM 6 and 3 is given. So 6 and 3 we make the LCM, then it's become the 6. So 6 is the LCM. Here in denominator 6 is there. So now we make the denominator 6. We multiply with both numerator and denominator with 2. 2/2. 1/3 into 2/2. Then we get 2/6. So here 1/6 minus 1/6 minus 2/6. So here 1 minus 2 upon all 6 is there. So 1 minus 2 is not possible. So 2 minus 1 is there. So minus 1/6. And when minus sign is there, then it is a sacrifice. Here minus sign, when gain is there, then minus sign is there, then sacrifice. So Dhruvil's gain is a minus 1/6 sacrifice. Now Gopi gain 2/6 minus 1/3. New share minus old share. Now 6 and 3 is there, so LCM is 6. 2/6, 2/6. Here denominator 6 is there. Now this denominator we make the 6, so multiply with 2. 2/2. 2/6 is there. Here also 2/6 and here also 2/6. So 2/6 minus 2/6, and then we get 0/6. And so Gopi's gain is 0. Now third partner, Mukund's gain. Here also new share minus old share. 3 upon 6 minus 1 upon 3. Here also 6 and 3 is there, so LCM is 6. Here 6 in denominator is given, so now we make this denominator 6. So multiply with 2, 2 upon 2, then we get 2 1s are 2 and 3 2s are 6. So here we get 3 minus 2 upon 6, then 3 minus 2, then 1 upon 6. So Mukund's gain is 1 upon 6. Here 1 upon 6 is the gain. Because when positive sign is there, then it is a gain. And here 1 upon 6 plus sign is there, so gain, and there is a minus sign is there, so it is a sacrifice. So here, as per the calculation of a gain, Dhruville's gain answer is a negative, which shows that actually Dhruville does not receive any benefit, but he has to sacrifice. When we find the gain ratio at that time, minus signs means sacrifice and plus sign then gain. So here he said because of the change in profit and loss sharing ratio, Gopi has neither sacrifice nor gain due to the change in profit and loss sharing ratio. As per his no change in her profit and loss sharing ratio, her new profit loss sharing ratio 2 by 6 is equal to 1 by 3. And her old ratio is also 1 by 3. Actually, gain by Mukund is due to the Dhruville's sacrifice. Dhruville make the sacrifice, and actually Mukund receive this sacrifice as a gain. From the above illustration, it can be seen that while calculating the gain ratio, if answer is a negative, then it is a sacrifice and not a gain. Answer is in minus, then it is a sacrifice. And positive answer, then it is a gain. Thank you very much.